Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where I help you solve your mobile issues quickly and clearly. And today I'll show you how to uninstall visual voicemail on Android, walking you through each step so you can remove it without any confusion. Now let's get started. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the Settings application, which you can find either on your home screen or inside the apps drawer. And this menu is important because it lets you access all system tools and app controls on your device. Step 2. Scroll down through the menu until you see the apps option, then tap on it to open it up, because this section contains every installed app and allows you to adjust or remove anything you no longer need. Step 3. Look within the apps menu and scroll down the list, or use the search bar at the top and type the app name, which is phone, then tap on the app to open it, as this is where visual voicemail is usually stored on most Android devices. Step 4. Once you are inside the phone app settings, move toward the bottom and find the force stop button. Then tap on it, and when the confirmation box appears, tap OK to complete the process, because force stopping helps reset the app and prevents it from running while you make changes. Step 5. Scroll down a little and open the storage menu, and here you will see two options appear. So choose Clear Cache, which removes leftover files, then close the app, and at this point you have successfully completed the process for how to uninstall visual voicemail on Android by disabling and clearing its stored data. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.